Hello, my name is Gaurav, and today I'm discussing about a project that I built. Before we get into the project, let's talk about a problem. So, the problem is every time you build a project, right, you need to do a lot of setup, right? You need to maybe include database, maybe need to add logging, maybe or some other things, right? And you have to keep doing them every time, right? So the thing is, you have already solved this problem, or someone else has already solved this problem. So why are you doing it again and again, right? So that is the problem that I noticed. So what I did is I basically built a directory for it. So it's called Scaffolder, and this is the website for it. So as you can see, it has templates. So currently we have three templates, one for backend and two for like full stack, and I think this one is for like dashboard. So you have a description here, right? So we have these templates, right? So what it will do is we will basically keep them in a centralized place, and we will use the CLI, that is this one, Scaffolder, to talk to this centralized registry and download them locally. So how this will work, let me show you. So let me go here, ls. Okay, so let me remove backend. Okay, and we clear it. So first you will download it either pnpm, right? You will add it this way or one or any other thing. I have already installed it. So once you install it, you sync it with the centralized registry. So this will do is create a local registry for you. So you can now see whatever templates you have here. Okay, okay, so all these templates we have, you can search them by name and other things, right? Now how to use this? All you have to do is just copy the name of this template, right? For example, I want to work with this backend template, okay, and I want to create it as a demo. So it will be created inside the demo project. Okay, it's asking me what to do. Do you want to keep the original history or what? So I'll just remove it and I'll keep the original one. Okay, now I'll go inside the demo. I'll do ls. So this is there, and I'll do install. So it's using what? It's using one, right? So I'll do one install. Okay, and I can see that everything I have here, right? So this is how the whole project will work. Currently it has only three templates, but I built it in a way so that you can add your own templates here. How do you do that? You have a schema. So all you have to do is you have to go to GitHub. Okay, and inside the content templates, like this way, right? So this way you have to add your own template schema, and after that you can open a PR to it, and it will be available in the this thing, right? So this was whole project. This was like a short project, but it was fun to build and it is useful, I think. So that's it for today.